Good morning, guys. We are going to start in 5 minutes. All right, we'll start 5 minutes earlier, so I will see you in 5 minutes. Please make sure to like up the stream, put a question in, get some tickers in, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, peace. Good morning to those who have just joined. Let me retweet the link quickly. Yeah, let's like up the stream, everybody. 5 minutes earlier, so we'll start in 4 minutes. All right, see you guys in a bit. Also, make sure to like the stream, don't go to the emojis under the chat. You must like the stream underneath the video. What up, everybody? What up? We'll just start a little early here. I'm gonna do till probably an hour, 30 minutes, and then I will be in the Discord doing live trading then. Right, let's see. Good morning, everybody. What up? Let's get the questions and tickets in. Get them in. Wow, MJOL is running madness. Wow. Anybody take that thing? Damn. Top mover right now. It's over $1. Can move it to blue. Right, let me get over to Twitter. Let me get over all these questions. Someone's spamming me with KXIN. What's happening here? It's not doing anything, so I don't know why they're spamming it. Maybe they got excited when they saw a green arrow or green candle. There is absolutely nothing on this. There are no entries unless 170. KXIN, no entries unless 170 break. Breaks 170, then maybe you can look for entries. But other than that, weak. ESLK was bonkers yesterday. Yes, it was. Guess what? What goes up must come down. Guess what's happening? BSLK is down 34%. Hopefully no one held this overnight. Yeah, this definitely needs downtrend break on BSLK. BSLK needs the downtrend break. Hamad, this one's coming down pretty much from what I know. Let me have a look. AMOD. Yeah, AMOD need to wait for 430. Yeah, 433. So Ahmad, there are no entries unless 433. So Ahmad, no entries unless 433 break above. Breaks above 433, then I'll look good for entries. Anything below, not really interested, to be honest. MJOL looks good. MBRX, what's happening here? This one's just ranging. I'm waiting for this. I'm just gonna, for me on MBRX, I mean, I'm not trading, but if I was to take this trade, I just have to wait for this. MBRX, no entries unless 235 break above. $235. OSTX, what's happening? Is that moving a bit again? No, not yet. OSTX, wait for 378. So OSTX, wait for 378 break to enter. So anything below, not interested. I know you can try maybe above VWAP if you want to, which is still a bit, which is like 343 right now. But yeah, other than that, I just would leave it. AZTR, what's happening? AZTR, there is nothing on this. AZTR needs 0.44. Or you can even wait for this if you want to. This level. 4150. So this is AZTR. So AZTR, wait for AZTR, wait for 0.415 break. Other than that, it's bearish. Strong downtrend, low volume. Expect this to continue to go down until there's volume that will get this thing to move to the upside. Right. Anything else moving? Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Right. Good morning, everybody. I am now on Twitter, caught up with everything. For those who have just joined the Discord, please make sure that you are watching the Discord intro video. Once you've done that, you will have a clear understanding of everything. You will know exactly what you need to do. All right, things will be back to normal next week, which is thank goodness, because it's been a very hectic week controlling hundreds of people with one person. Anyways, CHPT, what up, Totes? The first person to comment, always. Best #1 supporter of Tiger Line trading. Totes or goats. Right, we are still in a downtrend like this. Yeah, CHPT still bearish. CHPT, right, still bearish. Still bearish on CHPT. Trying to push up, maybe you can look for entries at 0.84, 85. Other than that, it's just bearish. MGOL is right here. MGOL is cruise control. Cruise control. All right, 175. 175 and 150. These are your next key levels on MGOL. MGOL key levels, everybody. 150, then 175. After that, $2, then 230, 240. 230, 240. OCEA ran last week. Nothing unless 0.235 on OCEA. So right now I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, downtrend. Downtrend, pullback, or low. It's not even a pullback, it's just downtrend. Need 0.235 for entries, right? So if it's below 0.235, you can just watch it and let it bleed. HEPA. Did HEPA reverse yesterday or no? HEPA is still valid for possible reversal, but at the moment, nothing exciting happening. No volume. So we need to hold this 0.2. This is HEPA. HEPA prediction still valid, and then I will put always keep a stop loss. Not that I need to tell people because you're all very smart and have a stop loss when you trade. So yeah, just reminding those who forget sometimes when they do get into a trade, because funnily enough, people don't trade with a stop loss for some reason, and I have no idea why. I'm not too sure what the reasoning is, but it's an absolutely terrible approach to trading. They will never become profitable if they keep trading without a stop loss, because that means you got to be 100% correct every time. Who is 100% correct, everyone, all the time? It is no one. These are your key levels for EVAX. You can look for entries above $3 if you want to. Candle close on the 5 minute above $2, $3. Good afternoon, Fig. What up? Well done yesterday, Fig. Great trading. Zcar still downtrend bearish. I cut my loss at like 4% on this this morning. Morning. What up, Brandon? What up, Mohammed? Don't forget to hit yes, like up, like up, like up. 5 minute chart, BBAI. BBAI is bearish at the moment. Still bullish though. Like what we've noticed is what every time we get to support, so we can see support goes up, support. Maybe we will go up here. Who knows, right? So what have we noticed? High highs and high lows. High high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high. Let's see. Let's see what happens with this play. QBTS. You need to wait for 7-11. I told someone yesterday and I message it every day. You are waiting for $7.11 to take the damn trade. So this is QBTS. Wait for 7-11 break to enter. All right. STAI. Where is this one? STAI. This is my favorite setup into open. Obviously MJL is number one, but this looks very good. Above 267, I would definitely look for entry. So STAI 267 break equals entries. Why 267? Because we've had a resistance here previously and we rejected it. If we close above here, we have room to fill this wick at $3.10. Lays is great. It looks fantastic. It's a little bit, oh no, this is LASE. LASE, no, this is different. LASE is bearish, no volume, but the other one, Lays, LAES, this is still bullish. I expect a breakout on this. Every day of the week, I would be taking this trade. However, it's Friday, long weekend. Just to remind you, forgot to tell you guys, long weekend. Market is closed on Monday. So there's going to be a quick sell off this today. So be careful. Be very careful. You don't want to be caught in that one, because it's going to bite you big time on Tuesday. Anything can happen. Could be news. Trump can talk about the tariffs again and whatever. Could be some disease over the weekend. Who knows? That could affect the market. So recommend going cash. I will be holding my swing over the weekend, which I'm only in one. But yes, $50 on NBIS. 55. 58. But yeah, remember, market is closed on Monday. Hallelujah. So we have NBIS need $50 break. $50 break. HEPERV, gone over HEPERV, gone over Shimovids. Please open your eyes, my friend, or go back. GNPX. GNPX is bearish, downtrend, nothing on this. I would avoid it. Just don't know, maybe there's news coming, but I don't see anything. EDSA down 12%. There are no entries unless you get above $3.82. So if you go back to my post that I put early this morning or late last night for you, what you should do is go to that and read what I said. So I'll refresh your memory very quickly for you. So it was on the watch list and I said, resistance time frame was the 15 minute. I'm just going to use a 30 minute here, for example. Now, explanation. This is what people don't read. They see the chart and they think because it's on my watch list, it means buy. People are very lazy that I notice. They don't want to do anything. So when they see a ticker posted by someone who has verification or has a couple followers, they think it means buy, but they don't read the fine details. So for myself, I read the fine details because I know in trading that's especially what you need to do, because if you don't, right, you're going to get caught out. So for example, probably when put this on my watch list, new people are going to buy the stock because they think that means it goes up, but they don't read under the explanation. It simply says this: wait for a break and close above $3.82. What is the stock at now? It's at $2.92. You have not entered this trade at all, and you should not even consider entering this trade at all. There is no sign of a reversal. There is nothing pushing this to the upside. The only thing you're looking for is a candle body to close above 382. So you should not be touching this at all, right? EDSA still, right? Simple, still no entries unless 382 break. You see that? Simple instructions. Simple instructions. I'm bullish as well. Can you go over the risk pre-market trading? Yeah, easiest thing to do pre-market. I would avoid it if you're new to trading or just at overall, right? Main reason is you cannot have a stop loss. So yeah, that is the main reason. Rani needs 190, $1.90. You can take the trade. So Rani, wait for 190 break to enter. All right, you'll see 99% of my charts that I put on Twitter, guys, I tell you, wait for break, because a lot of them are under resistance, right? Which means that they are bearish and that you need them to break above resistance in order for them to push to the upside. When a stock breaks a resistance, there's a high probability the stock will go up. PEV, nothing unless 0.52. So same thing here, it's below resistance. PEV, nothing unless 0.52 break. 0.52 break. All right. EDSA. I just want to have that one. EFSH. I saw this in Top Gainers. Is it moving? EFSH. Not really a fan of this. I would look for entries probably above this double top here at 26 cents. So EFSH. Wait for 0.26. EFSH. Wait for 0.26 break to enter. All right. So 0.26 break above. Don't hit the like emoji. Zcar is in a strong downtrend. Nothing. It is down. From the highs today to here, it is down 30%. No good. No bueno. WRD. Nice. WRD is $32, but something to trade like this, you could wait for VWAP, which it's above. You could try and take it if you want to. It's definitely not my style. I wouldn't trade something that is $32. Continuation to the upside is obviously if it breaks the high of day, which is 38.42. GNPX. I did GNPX already. There was absolutely nothing on GNPX. TLT is pushing up. What is this ETF? These are your key levels on TLT, which is Tiger Line Trading. Right here. This is a joke, by the way. It is not Tiger Line Trading. TLT key levels. Looks good though. Very bullish. Don't know why it's pushing up, but fantastic. I think because of news earlier. OSTX, you need to wait for either VWAP or 378. So I would definitely not touch this. Guys, this is a very simple instruction, so everybody please follow. You're not taking the trade unless it closes above VWAP or 378. If you're a smart, patient, and disciplined trader, you'll wait for 378 because you know if it breaks 378, there's a high probability it will go up. And that's what I suggest. Huge pullback on STAI. Yeah, I mean, pullback for me, I wait for it to push to the upside. SOUN. I heard this one dip out or something. What happened to SOUN? Yeah, this is breaking below support. This is no bueno. News offering what? Yeah, I mean, right now it's breaking support, which is not good. Which isn't good for AI theme. Breaking below support. This is no bueno, but it will reverse at some point, I'm sure. How do you trade pre-market? You use a broker that trades pre-market. So you can use Robinhood, you can use Webull. If you're in the US, I would recommend using Webull. You can use IBKR, I'm sure T212 has it. There's loads of brokers. The best thing to do is go onto Google because they know everything. Look at DeepSeek, go onto ChatGPT and ask them as well. They know the answers. But if you're in the US, highly recommend using Webull. This is the Webull platform right here. CNSP. CNSP looks good. 0.17 break is your next level for CNSP. Good entry point FFIE today. I would wait for the Hive day. I always like to play this Hive daybreak because there's continuation, and especially this at the moment, there's a big breakout on it. Maybe a pullback to this if you can get it to 185 level. I would even see if it holds $2 into open. If it holds $2 into open, that would be a good entry, to be honest. So this is FFIE. Needs to hold $2 into open, but like I said, I wouldn't hold any plays into open. Well, not even that. It's more over the weekend. Sorry. Good entry point, Tiger. All right, guys, we've got 100 people in here. Let's like up the stream. It is Friday. Everybody, come on. Come on, come on, come on. This thing broke out of a perfect falling wedge. We have daily key levels, which are here. This thing's up 8%. Very nice. What's it at now? 920, that 920. So these are your key daily levels. Very bullish. Looks good. Daily key levels. Any stock sales by Valentine's Day? I have no idea. Sorry. If anything, I might be a little too late. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, I'm afraid. VRPX, nothing unless 0.594, or you can wait for VWAP. Yeah, just don't want to avoid stocks under VWAP. APDN, low volume, probably bearish. Yeah, nothing unless 0.21. So this is APDN. This is Applied DNA Science. APDN needs 0.21 break for entries. SRM, let's have a look at SRM. Also, SRM's running. So guys, I will not be here at market open. I will be gone. But I will be sharing setups until open. So I will be doing live trading. I'm going to be done here in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then, yeah, SRM here, your key levels. Probably this is a good one to add to your watch list as well. SRM key levels. Everybody get the questions and tickets in. Make sure you're also liking up the stream. Goes a long, long way. EFSH 16% up. Oh yeah, this one already. Nothing unless 0.26. Yeah, nothing unless 0.26. Ford. Ford has low volume. Ford overall, let's look at the overall chart. This is how you do a top-down analysis, everybody. So is everybody ready to listen? This is how you do it. So we start from the higher time frame. We can start on the weekly. The weekly, we are pretty much just ranging, right? There's no real trend, right? So in my opinion, I would say it's bearish though, because if we look at it like this, it's in a downtrend. So one time frame suggests it's in a downtrend. Daily suggests it's in a downtrend. 4 hour suggests we are in a still in a downtrend. Why are we still in the downtrend? Because we have not made a higher high and then a higher low. We need to form a higher low and then break this high to form a higher high and higher low, which indicates that there is a uptrend forming. So we need something like this. At the moment, there is nothing that we see for any entries, to be honest. I would say above 963, you break this resistance here, or whatever this 964, you have clean range to the upside. But at the moment, it looks like it's reversing, but we don't know because it's tried to do it here and it came straight down, tried to do it here, came down. So yeah, that is my CNSP. You can wait for 0.17. These are your key levels. Looks great. I mean, what you need on this is clearly just this break at 0.172. Break that and should go. Should go. In my opinion, in my honest opinion, MGOL is probably the best setup. That does not mean buy now. It does not mean take out a loan. It does not mean full port. That is just the highest probability setup to run today. So what I suggest is keep an eye on it. Use your strategy to trade and make sure you have a stop loss and a target for the trade. MGOL, strong on a wick. Whoosh. Yeah, but this is indecision here. Strong top wick, strong bottom wick on one candle. So let's say this candle right here. This means this is how you read a candle, right? There's one way to read the candle. If there is a strong top wick and a strong bottom wick like this and a small body, this indicates that the buyer is trying to push it up, the seller is trying to push it up. There's a lot of indecision, right? We don't know what's going on. So in that sense, when there's indecision, we don't want to trade when there's indecision because we don't know what will happen. VRPX. I mean, if you want to take the trade, you can. For me, nothing yet. Thinking maybe you guys see a support here, which is fine. Maybe you could wait for 0.5, which is a psychological level, but then you have VWAP in the way as well. So it's a little bit of a tricky one. But yeah, you do enter, you have your stop loss below here. So you enter here. Yeah, you could try and do it. I mean, you have only a 5% stop loss. So let's say 5% stop loss here. It's a little bit lower like that. 5% target, let's say here, 0.51. So if you enter the trade now, this is what your levels could be. 0.51 target and then 0.46 stop loss. This is for people who want to take VRPX. So that's simple. So now you have a plan. Your plan is, and your reason. Remember why I wrote this. So if everybody goes to my tweet, where's my tweet? Let me see. So I said 4 things you must know before entering a trade. So the first thing I would say is, what is your trade size? How much are you trading with of your account? Are you trading with 100% of it, which you should never ever do? Are you trading with 20%, 10%, whatever it is? Let's say for this case, you are trading with 10%. So if you have $1,000, you are going in with $100, right? 10% of 1,000 is $100. So you're entering the $100. This is before you've entered the trade. So now the first thing you know is, okay, I'm entering this trade with $100. My next thing is understanding, why am I getting into this trade? So the reasoning is, let's say for example, the reason I'm getting in this trade is because it has found an area of support and it looks like it's reversing. That's what you can write or put. Fantastic, cool, valid reason. That's fine. So now you have 2 things. Now the third thing is, where is your target? And then the fourth thing is, where is your stop loss? Right? We've done it. So we haven't even entered the trade, but we've identified our trade size is 10% of our account. We have our target. We have our stop loss, right? And we have our reasoning. So now what we do is very simple. All you need to do is enter the trade now. You have your reasons and everything, and now you're structured, you have a plan, and now if you lose, it's okay, but you've at least entered for a valid reason. So that is fantastic, fantastic trading like that. That's what I do every single time. SRXN earnings today. Nice. GNS. Where's GNS? Here's your key levels on GNS, but right now there's nothing on it. Doesn't have any volume. Random, that means 0, yeah. What does VWAP mean? Okay, the easiest way to identify VWAP, okay, is I would say that it's an area of resistance of support. So if a stock is above VWAP, right, I would say it's bullish, and that if it is above VWAP, it will usually use as support. So let's say this yellow line is our VWAP. Now, if we know that a stock is above it, right? Let's say like this. We are above it, whatever. If we come down to VWAP, we will usually use it as support and push to the upside. Now, if we are in the inverse, right? Sorry, let's move this down like that. Now, if we are in the inverse, let's say, for instance, VWAP is our resistance, right? We might run up to it like this, hits it as resistance. It might not hit exactly that. It might come a little bit above or below, but it will usually get to resistance and then now come down. So this indicates what? If a stock is above VWAP, it indicates that it's bullish, right? It's in an uptrend. So now that means if it comes down to VWAP, this is probably a good entry or a reversal to go to the upside. VWAP, if it's bearish, if it's below VWAP, acts an area of resistance. So if it gets to VWAP, we'll usually reject and come down. How do you know and wait for it? It's very simple. Wait for a candle to close above VWAP. That confirms that it's broken out of the downtrend and now there's a possible reversal to the upside. Simple, easy, quick, simplified. Nvidia dumped. Oh yeah, I saw the news on that. SOBR, there's nothing on this unless 139. It is doing absolutely nothing. It's ranging. Boring. The news from Nvidia sound makes no sense because then they select over. Yeah, I don't know. MJOL, here's my levels for MJOL. 150, 175. Looks great. I would look for entries late today. If you want to take an entry, I would wait for an entry above $1.24. STAI, we are entering only above 267. Below 267, you just watch it. CYTH is looking good for continuation. Holding $1, that's great, but needs some volume. But yeah, looks good, pushing to the upside. Let's see. SRM, what's happening here? Crazy run up. Add this to the watch list, which is already there. Yeah, oh yeah, these are your key levels here, SRM. 0.82 or 0.83 like this. 0.83, and then you have 109, but I would use, also just keep in mind, $1 psychological. So these are your levels. I only increments 2 to 5k most. Yeah, I mean, it's just relative to everyone's account size. SRM just broke out with volume. Yes, looks great. Can it full port Friday? DKNG, DraftKings, very bullish chart. Nice. Yeah, DKNG is crazy bullish. Crazy. I'll give you key levels on this. You have one level here. 49.50. No way that's all-time high. Is that all-time high on DraftKings? I'm about to say. I'll use the weekly levels actually. 64.50. 64.50 and 74.40. These are your levels for DKNG. These are your weekly levels. Looks very bullish though. DKNG, a very bullish chart. Very bullish chart. INTC, this was my swing, which was nice. I gave it 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it was absolutely perfect. Do you want to see something? Look at this. I alerted this in the Discord over here inside of the chart pattern. Inside this yellow was where we entered. It even came below our entry and it ran 30%. How amazing. MGO running. Yes, I know MGOL is running. Know it. Yes, MGOL is doing. Thank you. No problem. OSTX, what's happening here? Just coming down. STAI, still wait for it. Where is the state? Lays. Yeah, I like Lays. I'm gonna watch this for next week. I mean, it's only 350. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch it for sure. I like this stock, so we'll see. Ah, Louis asked for B hat. Someone asked. This is it. This is my prediction. And I'm sure people are still in and they're down like 50%. They are down 50%. They are down 50%. So that is what it is. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, it should reverse technically, but we will see. Josh Amazon asked, how do I cancel my Discord subscription? I will tell you, it's extremely simple. I literally just did this right now. I typed into Google how to cancel WAP description, and look what came up. Came up right there. Follow the instructions, my friend. Thank you again. STAI, nothing on it. MBRX, nothing. Zika, FFIE, BBAI. BBAI is still bullish, guys. Look, still bullish. As long as it holds its trend, you're fine. Hollow, shame, it's coming down. RR is coming down, so yeah, it's going to affect it obviously, with Lays also down because of SOUN, so we'll see. We will see what happens. MJOL looks alright. Okay guys, I'm going to head into Discord. Got to sort out a few things. I'm going to do some live trading there till open, and then I am done for the week. All right. Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone joining these YouTube streams. It means a lot. Thank you very much. We are starting to grow on YouTube, which is fantastic. I hope you all have a great weekend. Market is closed on Monday, and I will see you all on Tuesday. All right. Have a great weekend. I will see you all next week. Peace.